airsoft BBs. We're just gonna crank it. Oh my god. Should I put it at full volume? I think that was a mistake, because now there are like 1,000 BBs. There's like 1,000,000. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to clean this up. Shouldn't be that bad though. I have a vacuum. That'll take me like an hour to do all of these. Whatever. It was worth it. It was pretty cool. Let me just get these on. I'm gonna put a little speaker on the big one. Just tape on this. Let's see what it does. Listen, it's all rattling. Oh man, they are crazy. Should I put more? Yeah, I'm doing it the second time. I'm doing it the second time. Refilled it. I'm almost out of those already. Now I'm using low motion. And that's a Valorant game. I don't really want to. Oh my god. That made a huge mess. Oh my gosh. Look at them. There's like at least 2,000 up here. There's no way there's not. Yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed me making a mess in the basement. And I'll see you again next time.